All right, so you'll see here that the fridge is clearly closed, but you can see light. And the reason for that is this piece here, which happens to have the cameras on it, is not engaging right here. And you'll see that if I close this really, really softly, it will grab that ramp and it'll close. And that's also the magnet for the second door. And then it completely closes. Problem is either something got loose or worn, a little bit of abrasion there, and you can kind of see a little bit of abrasion right there. You can see where it's running. So a really quick fix, this is not an official Samsung fix, but this is a solution to a problem, is to just back these screws right here, Phillips screws, back them out about 3 turns. This drops down just enough that it will catch. So let me go ahead and show you how that looks. All right, so you'll see that there's a slight gap here that's not going to affect anything with your cooling or defrost or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and you'll see that it'll catch. And I'm gonna go ahead and close the second door, and you'll see that it catches. And so that was pretty slow. I'll do a normal teenager closing the fridge. And see how it catches? One more time. Got upset that there's no food. It's completely catching. So there you go, less than 30 seconds. And if you had this problem where maybe your fridge was freezing or it was having trouble cycling because it constantly was getting hot and cold, it's probably because of this bar right here is getting caught like that when the door wants to close. So go ahead and just back those screws off. Like I said, 2 to 3 turns, and it will work every time. So there you go, another Samsung repair video. Like I said, that's not really the focus of my channel, but it seems to always be. But if you do like cars and not fixing fridges, which I seem to do a lot of, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and comment if you have any questions on this quick change. Not really gonna call it a repair, more of, like I said, a solution to a problem.